What's up everyone, this is the Bong. Alright, so we have this OX Lev redesign that you might like for your Fivem server. By default, we have this OX Lev which seems normal and is quite common if you use it for your Fivem server. That is why I'm introducing you this scripts made by I'm Not Cup. As you can see, the design is very futuristic and clean with a touch of a simplicity that grabs my attention to finally replace the default design. In this video, I will also show you how to install it on a Fivem server. I will provide the download link, so make sure to watch it until the end. Before we start our tutorial, here are some key features of this design. It includes a call features that allows our OX target to display all options at once, just like what is shown in the video. Let's begin our tutorial on how to download and install it on your Fivem server. This is the download link. You just have to copy this one and paste it on your browser. Now this is the GitHub page, and then what you're gonna do is you have to click this code right here and you have to select the download zip, and then it will automatically download to your folder, to your download folder. So you have to open that one, and then actually I downloaded it for the showcase. So you have to extract it using WinRAR. If you don't have a WinRAR, then you can download it. Just search it on your browser, and this is it, Pansit. Right? So let's delete the other one. Then we have to extract it using WinRAR, and then it will be something like this. So you have to rename this one. Okay, let's rename this one, and then we're going to remove the existing file name, and then after that we have to open to check if it is inside of a folder, but it's, you know, it's inside of a folder but not in a subfolder. So what we're going to do is we have to cut this up, and then we then go to our server resources, which is mine is located here, and then I'm actually using a Qbox framework, so I do have OX folder like this. But if you don't use a Qbox, then you have to find the location of OX Lev. Okay, now let's open this OX folder, and then we didn't have to, you know, we can actually add a backup of our OX target. We just have to add it as WinRAR, or we have to archive this one, and then we're going to delete this one, then paste the new one, and there you go. You have to restart your Fivem server console. You just have to close that one and go back to your server files, and this is it, the FX server. You just have to run it again, and if you have any problem, there will be a red something like that here, but since we didn't commit any problems, then we don't see any red colors here. Okay, because you know OXLib is very important in Fivem server. Now we have to open our Fivem server, and here we come. We are inside of the server. Now we have to load at our, and here you go. As you can see, when you hold Alt, and you will see the target popping up like this. And one thing I like about this OX target is when you target the center of the car, there will be two options shown in the screen, which you can select. There you go. What about this one? So you can directly open the storage by because you have two options here. So the trunk is open and the inventory as well as it opens automatically. Okay, now if you choose the trunk, it will open the trunk but not the inventory. Right, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you like this video, and I hope that this video will help develop your Fivem server. Okay, bye bye, thank you.